Hi, welcome back. Today we will be doing the lab on Packet Tracer 4.3.3.3, right? Basically on configuring VPN transport mode. So we look at encrypted traffic to FTP, okay, and encrypted traffic to FTP, okay, and then we take a look at the traffic itself, okay. So first step is to look at the criminal sniffer, which is this friend here. Okay, and look at the GUI. Okay, it says look at the GUI. It says look at the GUI, and then see whether anything there. You should press the clear button, and that's all. You just minimize this. Okay. Next, we're going to take a look at the public FTP. Okay, and which is inside Metropolis Bank. Okay. Next, what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to go to View Computer, Desktop, okay, and then go to Command Prompt, type ipconfig, okay, get the IP address, and we are supposed to FTP to this particular machine. So copy and paste, make sure that you don't have space at the front. Okay, press enter and try to connect. Okay, password is username is Cisco, password is public key. Okay, connected. End of the day, we're supposed to put a file called public info.txt. Okay, and we do a transfer file. Okay. So that's a simple one. The key thing is not about this. The key thing is look at the sniffer. Right? You can see that there is a FTP packet. Right? You can see username. You can see password. And then you will see that there is sending some information over. Right? Okay? They are sending this public info.txt. Okay, so that's the key thing about when it's not encrypted, and you can see that it's sending some data over. Okay, so that's it. It is. Let's clear this first before we continue. Do not too confuse. So next thing is, what do you do? We want to do an encryption one rather than a not encrypted one. Okay, so then we go to View Computer again, which is this thing, right? Now, we are going to create a VPN. So, over here we need to exit this FTP first. So, quit first. Okay. So, we are in the command prompt, right? We want to ping the branch router. Where's the branch router? This IP address. This is the one that we want to ping. Ping 209.165.201.19. Okay. Take a while. Says we may miss some packet along the way. Okay. So it's successful in terms of pinging. Okay. So let's move on. We want to set up a VPN connection, this particular machine. So VPN, we want to put in a group name, VPN group. Group key is 123. IP address is the .19. Username field. Password is Cisco123. Okay, and then we connect. Okay, VPN connected. We go back to command prompt. We take a look at the IP address. We type ipconfig. You see a new tunnel is being done over here. This is a new thing. Okay. So next, we're going to do from the View Computer. We're going to do a FTP to the another machine. So we do FTP to this machine. Okay, paste. Okay, and then username is Cisco again. Okay, private key is secret key. Okay, login, and then we're going to put private info.txt. Okay, so we transfer that over. So next thing is let's go and take a look at the sniffer. Right, you can see a lot of traffic going on in the sniffer itself. Right, this one must be the one that close. Right, quit the traffic. So these are the traffic in encryption method. Right, I guess. Are there any message on the password of the internal of a file load? Okay, any password or not? Okay, let's take a look. Okay, likelihood the username and password will show again. Okay, by right it's not supposed to show in the IPsec itself, but we're not very sure. Let's take a look. Lang, this is just a substitution key portion. Let's go to IPsec. Okay, this is FTP. Right, this is the IPsec connections. Right, you can see the IP header, the UDP packet encryption going through. Right, let's go through the whole process. Nothing here. Nothing here. Right, you cannot see anything, right? IP, TCP, nothing. Right, so this likelihood is the three-way handshake that you have at the early stage. Let's move on further. This port 21 already. See? Okay. Let's look at here. Right, this is a username. Okay. It takes a look at all the username and everything. IPsec. Can we see a password here? Password. Here we can see a password. So I say you still can see a password because of the way this thing is being designed. By right, on a typical sniffer, you should not be able to see the password. Okay, but because of how it decipher IPsec, it allows you to see what is IPsec. So that's why it appears here. By right, it's not supposed to see here. Okay. The next thing is the data, the file name. Can we see it? Okay, type binary. Right. Yeah. Next one. The file name. Okay. So, so what's the difference? The difference is one is encrypted, one is not encrypted. Right. And then why you can show here after encrypted. Okay, but basically, the way packet tracer is in design. By right, if you are not visible event, so if you don't have that, the information is not be able to show. Okay, malicious. If you take out IPsec, right, you won't be able to show IPsec. It will just disappear. The whole entire FTP, whatever is inside here. Okay. So that's all for today's lab. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Do subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.